Thanks so much for tuning in. It's been about 2 weeks since my last update, so I wanted to show you guys what's happening, what's growing, and what I'm doing. So everything right now is growing really well. I feel like the last time I talked to you guys, I was saying my previous failures with the toilet paper roll seedlings and basically a late start this season again, but everything is slowly flourishing. As you can see, the Mexican sunflowers are growing really fast. My marigolds are growing really fast. I expect to see some flowers in the next few days, hopefully. The arugula and lettuce are slowly sprouting out, and the chamomile and basil look really happy. They're growing more and more each day. I feel like when I first planted the chamomile, it took a couple days for it to get comfortable in this new spot, but we've had such good rain these past few days that everything just looks great. Everything is flourishing, and I'm so grateful to see how it all comes together these next few months. And you can see the basil where I cut down the top to promote more bushy growth. They're definitely expanding with Wise and getting more and more leaves every day. My tomatoes are growing pretty slow. I've never grown tomato from seed, but hopefully I'll get some tomato fruit still this year. I have 2 different tomato varieties, but I don't remember which is which. The ones in a smaller pot seem to be growing faster than the ones I put in the gallon bucket, but we'll see. I feel good about it, and I'm just excited to see some flowers soon. I did thin out the marigolds because I put so many seeds in that pot just on the idea that the less likely I would fail in planting those from seed. And marigolds really grow like weeds, so I don't know why I put so many seeds in there, but I thinned it out to about I think there's 6 or 7 plants in that pot, but it's gonna be a beautiful little flower bush, and I'm excited. I think I'm gonna thin out the sunflowers a little bit more as they get bigger, but we'll see. If they're not struggling, then there's no need for me to. As well as the lettuce. I think I put a lot of lettuce seedlings in the windowsill trays. I thinned it out a little bit, but it's still a lot of lettuce in there, and we're just gonna have to see what happens and how they end up growing and maturing. So that's basically my update. Everything's growing, everything's coming together really nicely. I'm excited to see some marigold flowers in the next few weeks, and I'm also excited to keep y'all on this journey with me. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know if you have any tips, questions, comments. Please leave them below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.